Hello, my dear students. Today, let us learn our new topic, that is bitumen. The bitumen shall be viscous grade paving bitumen compiling with the Indian standard specification. Appropriate grade of bitumen is selected after considering the region, traffic, and environmental conditions. So, construction for now this bitumen and construction entire procedure, this we are following for the dense mixed concrete. Okay. um, in this first step is preparation of the base, preparation of the mix, then spreading of the mix, compaction, and open for the traffic. So if we want to have the preparation of the base, how it should be for the dbm type of roads. The base on this dbm is to be laid shall be prepared on the specific dimension. The surface should be thoroughly wet, swept, and free from dust and other material. If the base is irregular and wavy, then proper correlative course of adequate thickness is provided to rectify the profile. After the tack coat is applied as per the specifications. So next step is preparation of the mix. Preparation of mix is carried out at a hot mix asphalt plant of adequate capacity. So the figure is showing you how are the plants, that is hot mix plants, and different parts are also named against in the corner, and those are denoted with a red color on a figure you can see here. Okay, so these are nothing but a red color marking showing the appropriate numbering. If you zoom it and see, you will be able to see it properly and clearly. This plant may be either batch type or a continuous type. If the work is going on in continuous, so depending upon the requirement, they will suggest which type will be more suitable. So there are two types available, either there will be a batch type or a continuous type of a hot mix asphalt plant. Now spreading of this mix, if once you get the bitumen binder, okay, then its laying is important. The mix shall be transported by a tipper truck and spreading shall be done by the mechanical paver. Okay, it should be spread in such a manner that after compacting, required thickness binder course is uniformly laid, such that there cannot be any undulations, and uniformity can be gained by adjusting it mechanically. Okay, when once you are laying the layer, later on comes the role of a compaction. The mix after spreading shall be compacted by roller by a set of rollers at a speed not more than 5 kilometers per hour. So the roller should move at a speed of equal to 5 kilometers per hour. So typically roller position used in the compaction is first initial or breakdown rolling. This is using a tandem wheel vibrator roller of dead weight 8 to 10 tons set with a high frequency and low amplitude of vibrations. After that we can have a immediate rolling. This is using a pneumatic roller with a tire pressure more than 5.6 kg per centimeter square and gross weight of 12 to 15 tons. Next, final or finished rolling with 6 to 8 tons smooth wheel roller until roller's marks are not seen on the surfaces. Now, premix carpet. Premix carpet is the oldest hot mix in India. It is good economical bituminous wearing coarse mix to be placed directly on the waterbound macadam of a low volume rollers roads. Premix carpet is an open graded bituminous mix which is widely used as an overlay on urban sections and on a surface course on rural roads in India. What are the materials required for such type of construction? The bitumen binder of 80-100 grade or road tar of grade RT3 is used. The quantity of binder required for 2 cm thick carpet is as under. Firstly, there will be a prime coat on a waterbound macadam surface 7.3 to 9.8 kg bitumen or 12.20 to 14.64 kg road per 10 meter square of area. Tack coat on an existing blacktop surface if you are going to provide, then it will be 4.9 to 7.3 kg bitumen or 7.3 to 9.8 kg road tar per 10 square meter of area. For pre-mixing, depending upon the size and quantity of chipping for both sizes aggregates, a total of 14.92 kg road tar binder is required per 10 square meter of area. For the carpet of 2 cm thickness, the road chipping of 12 mm size, that is passing through 20 mm sieves and retaining on 10 mm size, are required at a rate of 0.183 cubic meter and 0.091 cubic meter per 10 square meter of area. The stone chipping should be angular, clean, hard, tough and durable. Sand of clean, hard and durable type is also required. The aggregates fulfilling the following requirements can be used. For this type of construction, usually the impact value of 30%, maximum Los Angeles abrasion value should be maximum 35, flakiness index maximum 30%, stripping value maximum 25% and water absorption should be maximum 2% is permissible. Construction procedure for pre-mixed bituminous concrete. Preparation of existing surface. Before the carpet is applied to the existing layer, it is necessary to prepare the same by filling the potholes and depressions with pre-coated chips are required. A tack coat is applied over a waterbound macadam or an old bitumen surface prior to placing the premix. If the existing surface is of softer aggregates such as laterite, concur or murum, first a prime coat is applied and cured. Application of a tack coat. The bitumen binder is heated to a specific temperature before its application on the premix. Preparation and placing of a premix. The premix is prepared in the mechanical mixer or in an improvised hand drum mixer for premixing. The capacity of the drum mixer requires to place a quantity of 0.03 cubic meter of 12 mm chippings and 0.015 cubic meter of 10 mm chippings in one batch. The aggregates and the bitumens are however heated separately up to the required temperature. After the mixing is thoroughly homogeneous mix is obtained, the same is taken out and carried at a side for spraying and rolling. The spraying is done with a suitable rex. The cross profile of the lead material is checked with the suitable templates. Then comes the role of a rolling and finishing. Immediately after the mixing, the rolling operation is commenced. At one operation, 15 meter of the premix is laid and rolled. A tandem of pneumatic roller of 6 to 9 tons is used. To prevent the adhesion of the mix, the roller wheels, the same are kept damp with water. The rolling is done until there is no further movement of aggregates in the mix. Application of the seal coat. In areas of low rainfall, a premixed sand seal coat is applied over the carpet. In areas of low rainfall, a premixed sand seal coat is applied over the carpet. For this purpose, a medium coarse sand passing 1.7 mm sieves and written on 1.18 mm sieve is used for at the rate of 0.06 cubic meter per 10 square meter. The binder required for this purpose is 6.8 kg per 10 square meter of the road surface. In areas of high rainfall, a liquid seal is sprayed at 9.8 kg per 10 square meter and covered with a layer of chipping applied over a 2.5 mm are used at a rate of 0.09 cubic meter area. This layer is rolled by a light tandem roller to give a smooth finished surface. Then comes the surface finish. The longitudinal undulations under 3.0, that is 3 meters straight edge, should not exceed 30 in a length of 300 mm road length. The cross profile should not have undulation exceeding 6 mm. Openings to traffic. The road may be open to traffic hours after providing the seal coat or the surface dressing. Okay, so today we have learned about the premix coat and a premix bituminous coat and a construction procedure for the DBM. Okay, so we shall stop here and continue in next class. Thank you.